Ted, this is your favorite kind of weather.
It is. It's hard to complain about this weather. It's just phenomenal. Very comfortable, very pleasant, very cheery, bright, and beautiful. And we have the blue sky going, a couple of little puffy fair weather cumulus clouds. Kind of day where you lay down and try to make those little clouds into some kind of imaginary form, something like that. Just a gem of a day overall. Looking outside with our Lewiston auto cameras, our whole suite of cameras showing kind of the same story. A lot of blue and just little puffy clouds. Right now it's 72 at CC Heights, downtown 71, and Austin now 73. A lot of sun out there, as you can see, and we've been in that mode all day long. Here's time lapse from CC Heights from very early this morning. Our Lewiston auto camera looking at all the blue overhead, very similar to what we had yesterday. Temperatures yesterday reached the upper 70s. Today they will settle mainly for the mid 70s as there is some very mild air in place, slightly cooler situation. Just a little bit of a breeze out there. Wind turbines moving along, and blue sky from Grand Meadow, or near Grand Meadow anyway. That's our Lewiston auto camera from Mower County right now. Here at the studio, it's 75 already. The wind's very light out of the southeast, dew point 59. At the airport, officially 71, so basically, as they say, room temperature weather. Dodge Center 73, it's 73 in Charles City and 74 in Rushford. Just a hint of a breeze, dew point 57. That is some dry air. In fact, it's actually going down a little bit in the last hour. That dry air is still filtering into the area. That will climb briefly as the storm system approaches and gives us a chance of rain in the next couple of days. But today, a quiet day. And look back at August, the month that just wrapped up yesterday. We were very much on par with the climate averages, about a degree or so above average for the high and low. 79 and 59 respectively, but the rainfall, thanks to last Friday's record 3.51 inches, we had the 7th wettest August in Rochester history, and that's doing something considering the last several months have been way dry, or at least abnormally dry. We ended up with a surplus of 2.62 inches, 6.74 inches in the rain gauge last month. We're looking for maybe a little rain by tomorrow evening, but today a dry first day of September, and the weekend looks terrific as well. 60s and 70s across the map. Rochester 71, it's 73 in Lincoln, and now International Falls 73. So everybody kind of in the same boat right now. Humidity slowly building to the south. Some of them will creep northward. Not the really heavy humidity of oppressive stuff we've had recently, but just a little more of that. You may notice that tomorrow. Right now skies are generally clear. Watching a storm system coming from the west that will trigger some showers and perhaps a rumble of thunder late tomorrow night, that is, into Friday. So that's the stretch of weather that's going to be the most unsettled in the week, but today and most of tomorrow actually looking pretty quiet. There's the day planner. Some sunshine, 75 the high. Temperatures easing back into the 60s later tonight with a few passing clouds that will slowly build in ahead of that storm system tomorrow. So overnight lows tonight in the lower 50s. Tomorrow we'll have highs in the low 70s, but by the time we get to Friday, maybe not even as warm as 70 because of the onset of clouds and showers. But here's Future Track looking at clouds building in time. Tomorrow, a couple sprinkles will be possible about lunchtime, but by late afternoon, a better chance of rain really builds in. And by late evening and overnight, maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder moving through the area. As much as ½ inch to 2/3 of an inch of rainfall. And the rain from the west to east will move out by Friday night, drying out in time for the weekend. And humidity content not too bad over the next few days. Temperatures look very mild. 60s and low 70s. And really the lone rain chance is that Thursday evening and Friday chance of showers. By the time we get to the holiday weekend, things look pretty good. And here's Thursday's downtown. Tomorrow, sun at first with clouds building in, and there may be a spotty shower or two early in the afternoon, but the better chance of rain is after 5 and for the evening. So 73 tomorrow's expected high temperature, and those numbers are all slightly below average. Typically it'd be around 76, but we're going to be settled for something just a little cooler than that, so maybe a week or two ahead of schedule with that type of weather for that portion of September. So a gorgeous day though today. 75, a couple of passing clouds, otherwise a lot of sunshine and light southeast winds. Tonight, partly cloudy, 53. And your forecast tomorrow, gathering clouds. We'll see showers by evening. Maybe a couple spotty showers ahead of it, but really the best chance is after 5. 73 tomorrow, and then upper 60s with periods of rain, maybe a rumble of thunder or two on Friday. Nothing severe by any means. And then beyond that, dry weather. There is a great day for taking a cruise on Monday, as we see on a graphic there, and then the rest of next week still looking very September-like and very quiet.
I always enjoy when you put your family car on the 7-day, Ted.
That's right.
Yeah,